So I wanted to do this short video about how to brand your URL. And this is kind of specifically towards kind of anyone in marketing that uses funnels, affiliate marketing as well. So affiliate marketing, what we want to do is we want to have, sometimes you want to have a URL that's specific and that drives people straight to the funnel. And I was looking around for a video on this and no one had a video, so I figured I'd just put one together. Very, very simple. I'm assuming that you have your funnel builder subdomain set up, which is in my case go in myurl.com, and these are my funnels. So what I want to do is I want to direct someone directly to this funnel or one of these funnels. So what I do is I'm going to do two examples. One of them is in Namecheap, the other one's in Bluehost. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. Every single domain provider is going to have a different, list of instructions in order to do this. But what you want to do is go to your domain provider and look up URL, a web URL redirect in the support section, and you should find exactly how to do this. But this is the steps in these two. So what I do is in Namecheap, I will come to my domain and I will manage. Then I can go to Advanced DNS. And within the Advanced DNS section, I can add a new record. Now see, URL redirect record is already in here. So this is the one I'm actually going to show you about. Right here, we're going to say URL redirect. Our host is going to be www because everything... That didn't save. Ooh, there we go. So URL redirect is www, and the destination is going to be the entire URL all the way down to the funnel. So we can put in HTTPS because that's a secure site, which is nice. And the reason, and I'll show you exactly what we want to do here. So you can go give So I can go all the way down to a subdirectory structure. Okay. Now in this, we have a choice of masked, unmasked, or permanent 301. What we're going to do here is we're going to do unmasked, and I'll tell you the reason why. The reason why is kind of twofold. Basically, your security will be handed right over to the host, which is, in my situation, it's my DropFunnels, which is hosting this subdomain. So all the security and SSL certificates will be, they'll be correct, which is great. And the other reason is that SEO-wise, what will happen is you won't be chalked up as a duplicate site if we do unmasked. So that's how to do it in Namecheap. And I'll delete out of that. And we'll go to Bluehost. Now, Bluehost has a slightly different method of doing this. So in Bluehost, we're going to scroll all the way down here to Advanced, and we're going to go to cPanel. And within the cPanel, we're going to click on Domains. And then I'm going to find the domain that I want to change, which in this case, it's bonusaffiliatelaunch.com. I can click this little drop down over here and click on redirects. And from here, I can add a redirect in the same exact way. So www, I select bonus affiliate launch, redirects to, and I can type in my entire URL there, all the way down to my funnel. And I can also put a HTTPS if I want to, so that would be a great thing too. And then also right here, what we want to do is redirect with or without www. That's fine. You can use that. We don't want to do any wildcards or anything else. And then we just simply click add this redirect. So there's a way that you can get, kind of brand your URL in order to send people directly to a funnel. So simple redirect.